Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the privacy settings on your Xbox Series X. So if you want to go ahead and limit who can message you or who can send you invites or something like that, or friend requests, you can do this all under the privacy settings. So on the home screen here, let's go to Settings, go to General, go to the right and go to Online Safety and Family. Now under here we can go to Privacy and Online Safety, manage your permissions and privileges on your Xbox profile. Then the first one is Xbox Privacy, so let's go to that. And then we can choose a default, and we can read through here if we really want to. But the basics are child account, it's locked down. Teen account, it's kind of open. And then adult account, there's really no limitations. Otherwise, we can go to custom, which is probably the best option. And then we can go to view details and customize. And then we can go to online status and history. And it'll give you a description of what you can change under here. Settings include others seen if you're online, so you can hide your account essentially. Others seen what you can watch and listen to, and others seen your game app history. So this is kind of what it looks like. A lot of times you'll have settings where you can set to everybody, friends, or block. So you can go through each category and kind of see. Like I have this one set to friends. Others can see your game in the app history. So my friends can see that, but not everybody can. So people who aren't my friend won't be seeing what I can do. So here's profile. Others can see your profile, seeing details about others, how you look, sharing your real name with friends of friends. Then we have friends of clubs, adding friends. Others see your friends list, creating and joining clubs. Others seeing your club membership. Communication multiplayer, joining multiplayer games, playing with people outside of Xbox, crossplay. Essentially, you can turn off crossplay under this section. Others can communicate with a voice, text, and invites used in video for communications. Others seeing your activity feed. Here's game content, sharing clips and screenshots. Others seeing your game/clips. Seeing and sharing content, live streaming gameplay. Sharing content made using a connected camera. Then we have sharing outside of Xbox. Others sharing your content to social networks. And then we have buy and download. Ask before buying. So I have this turned on, and this is going to require a PIN before you purchase something on your Xbox. So these are the different privacy settings under here. You can customize it or just go to the default settings for adult, teen, or child. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.